Ever wonder where those pro Amazon sellers actually find their most profitable stuff? Well, you're in the right place. We're about to lay out the treasure map to your next big bestseller. So, stop guessing, stop wandering around for hours. I'm talking about the 5 specific stores that 6-figure sellers hit up all the time. These are the real product gold mines, so you're gonna wanna listen up.
Okay, so first, let's make sure we're all on the same page. What even is retail arbitrage? It's super simple, really. You're just buying products cheap from a local store and then flipping them on a marketplace like Amazon for a sweet profit. The idea is easy, right? But the secret sauce, that's knowing exactly where to look.
So that's the big question, isn't it? Where are these magical stores? All right, no more waiting. Let's jump right into the top 5 spots you need to have on your sourcing list.
All right, here's the rundown. Kicking things off at number 1, Walmart. It is the absolute king of the clearance rack. Seriously. Then at number 2, we've got Target. Pro tip here, look for those super deep discounts right when you walk in, especially right after a holiday. Next up, number 3, dollar stores. These are perfect for high-volume, low-cost stuff like party supplies or stationery. Easy flips. Coming in hot at number 4 are liquidation stores. Now these are a bit of a treasure hunt, you know? High risk, but man, the reward can be huge. We're talking amazing bulk scores. And finally, rounding out our list at number 5, thrift stores. Don't sleep on these. They are literal gold mines for niche finds like rare books, puzzles, stuff with massive profit margins.
And look, this isn't just theory. Check this out. This is a quote from a real seller. They bought a set of kitchen utensils in a Walmart clearance aisle for just $3 and sold them on Amazon for $17. That's a huge return. It just goes to show you the kind of power that's hiding on those clearance racks.
But listen, you can't just go in blind. This is probably the most important pro tip of all. Do not go sourcing without a scanner app on your phone. It is your absolute secret weapon out there. It lets you make those snap decisions on the spot.
So what should you use? Well, you've got essential tools like SellerAmp, which gives you all the sales data instantly. Then there's Keepa, which shows you the whole price history so you know if you're actually getting a good deal. And you've even got BrickSeek, which helps you find clearance stuff in local stores before you even get in the car. Honestly, using these tools is what separates the beginners from the pros.
So, there it is. You've got the stores, you've got the strategy, and you've got the tools. The only thing left to ask is, are you ready to get out there and start scanning your way to some serious profit?